Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music on Messenger notes, right? So we have to just go to our Messenger here, and in the Messenger we can just add a note here, right? So we can just go to the plus icon. Oh sorry, here it is. We can just add a click on plus icon here, and then we can just add a note, right? But if you want to add a music, for example, if I can just write here hello, you will get this option of music icon. Now I can just add a music here, right? So in this way we can just add a music, right? So for example, if I select this, right, I can select from which part I want to add a music. I'll click on done, and then I can just share it, right? So here you can see it's started to look like this. If any friends of me, if just tap on it, they will also able to read the note as well as the music. So this is a very nice feature, and this is how you can do this. If you haven't got this feature, then it's really easy. You have to just go to your Play Store and search for Facebook and update. In the place of open, you will find this option update your Facebook account right now. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.